Hey up, my old muckheads, welcome back to the channel. Stu's back with another naughty taste test. This one is the Domino's Cadbury's Cream Egg cookie. You get 2 of these for $6.99, I believe. 2 of them. And inside each cookie is a whole Cadbury's Cream Egg. So let's cut it open and do a taste test. Here we go then. I'm happy to say it's quite warm. Let's cut this open. It should have, oh, it's quite crispy. Should have a whole Cadbury's Cream Egg inside. Using out, oh wow, look at that. Flaming egg. Guaranteed this is going to be very, very sickly. Oh, it's all over my thumb. Okay. Let's give it a taste test. There we go. There we go then. I'm going to have to do extra on the treadmill to work this off, bloody hell. Cheers. That is really nice. It's got a crunchy outer of the cookie, but it's dead soft inside, and it's nice and warm, and it's gooey, and it's, if you love Cadbury's Cream Egg, you're gonna love this. Just bear in mind, it's very, very sweet, very sickly. So you probably, if you're gonna have a Domino's and then you're gonna have a dessert with your Domino's pizza or whatever you order from Domino's, just don't, do yourself a favor, don't order a massive pizza or a massive meal and then have these afterwards, because you will not be able to finish. But they're nice, they are nice. Chunky, cooked well. And to tell the truth, I did have them last year when they released them, and all underneath was burnt. So hopefully you don't get that experience, and I'm glad to say I did not get that experience on this particular delivery. Right, let me know if you've tried them. Let me know in the comments down below. Very nice, highly recommend as a one-off treat. So yeah, take care, look after yourselves, and I'll see you on the next video.